for apple. B for banana. C for cherry. D for dragon fruit. E for elderberry. F for fig. G for grapes. H for honeydew. I for Indian prawn. J for jackfruit. K for kiwi. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nuts. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for queens. R for radish. S for strawberry. T for tamarind. U for umbrella. V for vanilla beans. W for watermelon. X for Xmas tree. Y for yam. Z for zucchini.